The floodwaters are rising, and nature's fury is unstoppable. What would you do if you found yourself stranded in the heart of a disaster like this? Let's uncover the terrifying reality that thousands of people in Yunnan province are currently facing. Yunnan province, known for its towering mountains and diverse landscapes, is now struggling to survive the aftermath of devastating floods. Between July 17th and 20th, torrential rains relentlessly battered the region, causing flash floods that have torn apart infrastructure, flooded farmland, and displaced entire communities. The relentless downpours, far exceeding the region's historical seasonal averages, have transformed the once peaceful rivers into raging torrents. Narrow streams have morphed into powerful surges of water, sweeping away homes, cars, and even heavy farming equipment. Entire towns, like Zaung and Wenshan, are left with only memories of their once thriving communities. Imagine living in a city where, without warning, roads are swallowed whole by rising waters. That's exactly what happened in Zaung, where landslides blocked key routes, isolating residents in the midst of the chaos. Can you even fathom the terror of being trapped, waiting for a help that may never arrive? In Ludian, water surged within minutes, completely submerging low-lying areas. Families had to evacuate in the dead of night, desperate to find higher ground, fleeing with nothing but the clothes on their backs. The flash floods swept away the lives they had spent years building. Crops, homes, livestock gone in an instant. The fear must have been paralyzing. As the floodwaters moved south, Wenshan Prefecture bore the brunt of the destruction. Thousands of acres of rice fields, vegetable plots, and even greenhouses were destroyed just weeks before harvest. Can you imagine the heartbreak of watching everything you've worked for swept away, knowing there's nothing you can do to stop it? In Pua, near the border with Laos, flash floods ravaged the valley. Bridges were torn apart, cutting off entire villages from help. Emergency teams scrambled to erect temporary crossings. Delivering supplies by foot or by drone, yet many remained stranded. How would you survive if you had no access to food, water, or medical supplies, with the floodwaters still rising around you? As night turned into day, the full scale of the devastation began to unfold. The entire region, from Kuing to Pua, was unrecognizable. City streets had transformed into raging rivers, with water levels rising up to chest height in some areas. Imagine the terror of being trapped in your home, unable to escape, as the floodwaters close in on you. Even as Yunnan's emergency response teams worked tirelessly dispatching rescue boats and deploying military units to clear debris, time was running out. Power outages, disrupted communications, and road blockages made it nearly impossible for help to reach those who needed it most.
Everything can get swept away, drowned, or completely wrecked.
And the situation isn't over yet. Meteorologists have warned that the worst may still be ahead. The soil is already saturated, and the danger of further landslides and flash floods remains high. Are you prepared for what nature may throw at us next? The provincial government has declared a level 2 emergency response, urging residents to remain alert and heed evacuation orders. But will it be enough? With rising water levels and unpredictable weather patterns, the battle for survival far from over. This isn't just a flood. It's a wake-up call for all of us. The destructive power of nature is far greater than we ever truly understand. Are you prepared if disaster strikes? The people of Yunnan didn't have a choice, but we did. Stay informed, stay alert, and stay safe. This is more than just a news story, it's a reminder of how quickly everything can change. The devastation in Yunnan is still unfolding, and only time will tell just how much damage has been done. If you want to be prepared for emergencies like this, make sure to hit subscribe for more real-time updates and in-depth coverage of global disasters. Don't just wait for the next disaster to be ready. Hit the bell icon and never miss a crucial update. Your safety might depend on it.